Hello. Let's see, today we're starting the stream. I'm gonna start sending the stream. YouTube, let's see, start my channel. So let's send this direct. En directo. Ok. Compartir. Twitter. Let's go. Live. Hashtag ORDERFLOW. Hashtag BTC. Hashtag live trading. Let's go. I will send it to Telegram. Okay, let's see if we have opportunity. I will send here this live live vale. So I'm gonna send hello, I'm live. Let's see this open. Okay, guys. Okay. Sorry. I was typing. Anybody that's inside the stream. Okay, Filippo. Hey, Joel. Hey. Today, let's see if we catch a trade on ES and on NQ. ES, we are trading inside again the gap. Like yesterday, we had trouble to. They filled this gap. They couldn't trade above. We nuke again. These candles were the news from China saying that is open to dialogue. That's why we had this move on markets. But now we are trading again in value area low under. So probably we're gonna open below value area low. So we have these levels to see. And see what happened for the sweep. So yeah, let's see what happens. For now, we are trading under level. BTC chart also, we have these levels marked. If I get a trade on BTC, we could see the 82,800 level sweep, same as ES sweeping the lows from intraday. Also, we have BTC here bouncing about the VWAP bounce into the POG, so he is pretty stuck. So for now, Bitcoin trading on this small range, 82. So the sweep of these equal lows could be a good sweep, could be a good important sweep and we could get a long. So yeah, let's see how we going. Hope anybody wants to join. If you, the guys that are here, can give a like, we can start with the likes on the stream. Please give a like to the stream, it will help me a lot. Give a like, then I can be more visible. And follow my Twitter, my free Telegram. I will give for the people that follow me. I next month, I think I will, or near next month, I will give a full license of ATAS. Now I'm seeing not ATAS full. They will give me full license for my students. So you will have full license of ATAS with everything. They have better connection, they have better feed, so you will have better actualization, so better MES, so more fluid, more indicators, more everything. So follow me for more, because I will gonna give 40. They will give me 40 license. Okay, so it's something good. So yeah, good stuff coming. This is the profile from today. Okay, so yeah, this is the profile. I'm trying to this. If we get here, I'm gonna end here. Yeah, this is enough. This will be actually so we have this value area for a reaction. We are now stuck on POC. We will see what we have here in reaction. Same as this chart. I'm gonna close it. I don't need it. This one MS. Okay, 15-minute chart. We're gonna go here to the volume chart. We see everything like peeling up. I'm gonna go back to the 5 minutes, and yes, let's see how we begin. You guys, the new guys that are coming in, we are trading S&P 500 and we are trading Bitcoin. I have both charts waiting for a trade. For Bitcoin, we are looking for these levels. We are looking to trade into these lows, these overnight lows, or these overnight highs. But ES is looking tricky, so I think we will sweep first the lows. In order to get a Bitcoin trade, first my ES trade has to be, we have to be in the same order flow and same direction as ES. Today we have the DOM. I created a better DOM. Now here we can see delta. This is the bid and ask ladder. It's really important to see aggressive on markets. I'm gonna explain in real time what I want to see here. We will switch then for a little bit. I will give more order flow real time DOM trading. That's the real, like my friend Demax says, the real order flow is trading the DOM. So people that trade the DOM nearly don't need to look at charts. That's something that DOM traders and order flow traders look more the DOM in order to see aggressive and reactive buyers. So once we get to a level, we want to see how the bids and ask are reacting and how players are reacting to a level. Here we see that this level is getting much reaction. We are opening, okay? So for now, we're getting aggressive on the market. They're upticking. So players are upticking. Okay, let's see how we react to the POC and to the value area high. Okay. Okay. So we see ES is upticking, guys. We reacted to VWAP. First touch to the VWAP reaction. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing the same. Bitcoin is reacting, but Bitcoin had opened with the VWAP on beneath. So, but it's reacting same as. So we're reacting. It's nice, nasty reaction. Nasty. Let's set my BingX account in order. Oh my god, this reaction, nasty. Bitcoin reacting more nasty than ES. Let me set my BingX account. Yeah, for now, careful, careful. We're having so much volatility. I'm starting to like more London and Asia slow markets, turtle markets that it's called. But yeah, we are traders, so we trade. So I don't care trading New York. But yesterday we got wrecked on the chopness, so I'm not doing the same mistake. So for now, Bitcoin, let me see how it react, because ES rejected for VWAP and Bitcoin did this. Okay, they reacted fast to the VWAP. I like the reaction. I like how they're buying back this. And I like how ES is upticking. So, yes, we are getting full reaction. Okay, nice imbalance in the down part, and they couldn't take price. They go into this stacked imbalance. That's something nice for us. So I think we could, if this continues and we start trading above the BPOC for the day, that's good, a good long into continuation to the higher part. So I'm thinking on going long in Bitcoin, guys. I'm thinking on going long in Bitcoin for a small scalp. Let me open my Bitcoin account. Okay, let's see. I like what I'm seeing. Let's see if ES is holding here. ES is holding strong, but ES is rejecting VWAP. So it's still scary. But order flow for now is pretty bullish. Delta is not bullish, so that's what I'm concerned. So we are going up, but Delta is going down. So there's been so much absorption here. Okay. We hold in VWAP. We hold in VWAP. So yes, let me see if I can go here on the 1 minute. Let me see how we see this on the 1 minute, guys. We're getting rejection. Scary, eh? That's why I'm concerned on going in. Bitcoin is reacting better. So I'm not getting along on Bitcoin till I see ES accepting VWAP. If ES rejects VWAP with this price action, this could fall pretty easily. Opening is being sad, so I'm also thinking on that. Yeah, we should wait now. For now, give a like, guys, if you are here. Give a like. ¿Qué pone? ¿Qué has dicho, Javier? Reaccionando al val de rango que hemos formado estos días. Sí, quieres decir el Bitcoin. El Bitcoin está reaccionando a todo este rango. Que seguramente, si lo vemos en 30 minutos, verás que tenemos un rango bien formado aquí. Una consolidación con algunos sweeps la parte baja. Pero está actuando como este rango, como aceptándolo. Esto es positivo para el Bitcoin. It's pretty positive for Bitcoin that we accept these prices. Then we could attack the 89k level at least, I think, this week or next week. But for now, ES is chopping. I see they are upticking, but it's so crazy now for... So for me, if we break this level, I'm going long. If we start...
Order placed.
I'm going long, and I will stop myself underneath this. And I will target the gap. Let me see like how we are reacting to Bitcoin. Bitcoin same, reacted for value area high from today. If we can close above value area high, we could see this like a trade, possible trade with a 1 to 2. Same as ES. Okay, guys, so I think we're getting a trade now. It is TOPSTEP account. but we need a push in order to go out from VWAP. If we are not going out from VWAP, I'm not gonna go in.
Order filled.
Okay, I mean my invalidation is tight.
Order placed.
My TP is value area high.
Order placed.
Let me see if I can. I'm in on this trade, guys. I like what I'm seeing. I want to see acceptance. If this gets denied again, I'm out fast. Let me see Bitcoin. Bitcoin the same. I'm going in 10%, 10% Bitcoin. Okay, I got a bad field. Well, my invalidation in Bitcoin, my field is here. My field is here. My invalidation is under POC. My invalidation is 620. My invalidation is 620 on. This is my trade on Bitcoin. I think we can cut a continuation. We need ES2. Okay, we get rejected. I don't like this. I like more the Bitcoin trade than the ES, but I'm gonna give a try to ES to follow up. At least 2 more candles. If I don't like it, I will cut it. Come on, ES. We need ES to push. We need more buyers. But you see, okay, big seller. I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm cutting one.
Order filled.
Sorry, I added.
Order filled.
Okay, I added. That's why I gonna
Order cancelled.
trail my stop. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, I only one contract here.
Order cancelled.
Stop break even. I don't wanna.
Order cancelled.
I'm giving this only this room to this trade because this is nasty. They couldn't break again. I'm out.
Order cancelled.
They couldn't break BPOC. I will let the trade of Bitcoin, and I will trail my stop of Bitcoin also here. Okay. My entry in Bitcoin is, so I'm gonna show you guys. Bitcoin and trade. If you wanna support me, I'm trading with BingX. So if you wanna support me, give me a support. I have my refer link. I'm trading on my Telegram also. So for now we're in this trade for continuation. I think that if the reaction from here, I like it. So let's see if at least to this stacked imbalance plays out. Okay. So now we are 5% down. But yes. Okay, this is, this. Let's see if we have a dab. For me, I like the continuation. I want that ES continuates this, but ES for me needs to push above BPOC. BPOC is being rejected for now, so that could lead also into stop loss in Bitcoin. If we start trading above BPOC, I will trade also ES. Come on, Bitcoin can run. ES gives a little push. ES starts upticking like now. Come on, uptick. Don't do this to me. And then Bitcoin will follow pretty fast. Pretty fast. I will move my stop loss also to Bitcoin to 83,680. Okay, move my stop. Okay. Okay, nice. Bitcoin upticking. Yes, I think it's upticking also. Come on, ES. ES needs to go out from here. Don't chop like yesterday. If ES continues, Bitcoin has potential for go up. Okay, CBD is scaling up, positive delta. I like this. I follow that trade. I follow that day. It's a trade following the session. This stacked imbalance reacted pretty nicely, pretty good delta. This 5-minute candle was beautiful, pretty heavy delta. Stacked imbalance and imbalance on the bottom, that's pretty good. All these traders got trapped. So yeah. Give a like, people. Caza longs hasta los 81, 80 y luego 90k. Vamos. Sí, ojalá. No suelo alargar tanto, ¿vale? Tradeo order flow en ES y en Bitcoin igual, o sea, 1 a 2 trades rápidos, ¿vale? Este es un trade con un 40% de riesgo, 10% de la cuenta, más o menos 40% más fees sería un 50%, sería un 5% de riesgo de la cuenta para ganar esto, para ganar un 1 a 2, el doble de lo que tal. I'm risking 1 to 2 tries. But it looks nice. Yes, it looks nice. The trade looks nice. I think we're getting a banger. If you like, give a like and subscribe to the channel. Give likes and I'm streaming all days. I will give license of ATAS, full license, to people on my chat. So follow me. So for now, ES, oh my god, I don't like. We need ES to find support here, and ES is not finding any bit. We need ES to catch bit. So you see, now we are trading underneath the POC. So this is the most volume traded contracts. Okay. Come on. Bitcoin needs to trade above. If value area holds here, risking 60. No. I would like this here. Value area. For now, VWAP is rejecting, but we have value area. Okay, let's see how we go. Here supporting bro, nice FOMO, thank you very much. Give a like to the stream, I will appreciate any comment, anything you wanna know, any question, give it to me. I appreciate everything. I'm trading I trade crypto on BingX and I have good discounts for everybody. Also, I'm gonna ping here because I can give a discount. If you sign with my refer link, you just tell me your UID and I give you a discount of 20%. So I'm gonna give you the refer link if you want it, something good. Okay, so I'm gonna ping this here. Also, I have an account. If we hold, I'm going in here, but I think we're gonna sweep these lows, so I'm not in, I'm waiting. But for now, we're sweeping the lows. But yeah, we hold it. It's important if we hold value area low or we sweep this opening. If we start upticking here and price starts reacting, reactive buyers, you see 45 lots, but then get insta absorbed. We need this to continue. You see that reactive buyers here are heavy. Here are more heavy on the selling, but here they are heavy on the buy, on the bid. So we need that for continuation, and that will continue with our trade. Okay, so let me check if I can send the link. This is my, I can give you good fees if you're trading crypto. And if you want to know where I'm trading prop firm, I'm trading TOPSTEP. Is the prop firm I like. Also Bullenox, but I trade Bullenox more personal. I don't do it on stream. Is the two prop firms of future I use, plus BingX. Okay, for now. Join my Telegram. I give every support there. It's free. So for now, without ticking, that's bit tricky for our trade. I think our trade in Bitcoin is going. Is usually if we don't hold value area high, I'm thinking of closing. But for now, it's not bad enough to me to close it. I did risk, so now before I was risking more. Now I'm risking only what I say 40% plus fees on a 100x. So yeah, MS. Okay, they going for the lows. They're going for the lows. I like this sweep. Let me see if this holds. If they cannot continue going down, I want to see like. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, they cannot go for the lows. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Let me see if they reclaim. If they reclaim, I'm going one more.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going one.
Order placed.
I'm going one lot here. The reclaim of value area high. That's a good reclaim.
Order cancelled.
Oh, no.
Order cancelled.
Sorry, my bad.
Order cancelled.
I wanted to fix my ratio, but I think it's okay. My entry. Okay, nice buys. Nice buys. I'm fixing my stop loss to this low.
Order cancelled.
To this low. Actually, I don't want to reach this low. I want to reach this.
Order cancelled.
It's not necessary to risk full stop loss, because if they go for the week, they will stop me also. So if this, I don't want to risk full stop. Okay, so okay, nasty rejection. Reclaim of value area high, but nasty rejection, like yesterday. New York Open is been this all the days with this news. If I get stop this trade, I will freeze my.
Order filled.
Yeah. Okay. This is a L. Move on. We move on. Yeah, but nasty. CBD purling down. They cannot reclaim. So yeah. Bitcoin trade. Same. For Bitcoin, Bitcoin needs a lot. Bitcoin is stronger now than ES, but ES has so much fear now in the market that everything is pulling equities down. So we go to the same part. If we don't start trading above this gap, this is usually going for these lows. So that's what I'm concerned now. I will follow my trading plan because I can trade 2 trades on Bitcoin, and I can trade whatever I want on pure film. So I will stick to the plan, because until this doesn't get stopped, I'm doing this month a full stop. I'm not risking break even, so on crypto trades. So yeah, if I get stopped, I need to get fully stopped. For now, we are not stopped. So I think if we reclaim an ES starts upticking, we could have the Bitcoin trade. If not, this will go insta to stop loss. Yes, you need to know this is. It's been rejected not because the strength on Bitcoin, that for the daily VWAP, so daily session is been pretty bullish, but now ES needs to be more strong. And ES down ticking. So for now, guys, market is like yesterday. Market is now trading below value area low for the day. So yeah, that is. We're gonna move this into more to have more actualization of what's happening. So value area is here. We need to reclaim. For now we are not reclaiming. No, esto es el DOM real. Esto es el DOM del IES, bueno, del MS, que al final es lo mismo, porque lo mismo, el mismo volumen que hay en el... se replica aquí. Entonces prácticamente es el mismo. Me acuerdo, no sé cuál era. O sea, este replicaba al ESP500, ¿vale? Para que no haya diferentes precios. Pero claro, tu apalancamiento es menor. Es 1 a 10. Is 1 to 10 MES. And ES1 ES is SPX 50X. So one contract is like 50X. So here is real volume, so 200 contract sells here is a 200 lot contract, so they're selling heavy here into these lows. So what we want to see here, what we want to see into this big delta, we want to see a reaction here in buys. For now, they are pretty heavy in sells. They are pretty heavy in sells. Okay, look pretty heavy. Once they get this delta, let me see, we need to see buyers stepping in. And for now, sells are stronger. You see 100, 101. You see here, everything is stronger in the sell part. We have this guy here with 250. But still, sellers are in control. I think Bitcoin we got stopped. Okay, I'm transparent. Minus 5%. No problem. That's live trading. So I'm gonna show you my... Where is my... Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was a 38% of... Yeah, with fees. But well. Okay, we lost this. Okay, it was stop loss. You see the price open, the close 672, 680. Yes, no problem. This was the stop loss, 680. We're going down, no problem, no continuation to the upper part. And yes, we are waiting. I don't know if you like this type of quick scalping trading, transparent, this is what's happening. Sí, tío. El DOM no. El DOM sí hay mucho tema de spoofing. De toda la vida es ilegal, pero se sigue haciendo. Pero ya no es una cosa. Como está penada también y muy buscada, no lo hacen tan loco. Pero sí que es verdad que hay muchos algo tradings y las órdenes de por sí ya espantan al mercado. ¿Vale? Entonces, de momento aquí estamos viendo lo mismo. Estamos viendo como que el precio no... El precio tiene que demostrarnos que llega a un punto en que no puede avanzar. No puede seguir bajando. En ese punto, que puede ser estos lows que estamos llegando, estamos muy cerca. Por eso no quiero longuear aún, porque estamos muy cerca a los lows. ¿Vale? Una divergencia sería que este low de este low, perdona, perdón, me ves que es lo con la apertura, sería este, Pero claro, ahora ya estamos mucho más abajo. Y entonces ya ha roto la divergencia de CBD. They break here the CBD. They defending this. I like how they're buying here. This lever, the 56. Espérate. No sé qué cuenta tengo aquí. La 94, sí. La 94 es la que tengo en pérdidas. Sí. Vale. 94. Me gusta cómo están aquí. Vamos a
Order placed. Order filled.
Vamos a scalpear esto. Al menos ver a ver si nos llegan a...
Order placed.
A ver si esto es un rush hasta... Vale, area high. A ver si ahora los compradores, buyers, if you like it, buyers are stepping in, guys. These walls, these sell walls. I would like to sell into them.
Order placed.
One there.
Order placed.
And one there. But yeah, this is pretty choppy. Pretty heavy on the ask. Markets are pretty heavy, so yeah, now... No, they're going for new lows. They're going for new lows. No, imposible longear. Impossible
Order filled.
to long this type of...
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
They're going for new lows all the time. They make a reaction, but they keep front running VWAP. Nothing. They keep front running VWAP. They're going for a new low. Let's see if they pretty. Let me see where they can stop. So I don't care. We have one account in negative and the other account is pretty positive. 400 I think plus, yeah, 435 this one. So yeah, I'm not so unhappy with today. Okay, so now wait. Bitcoin also what doing? Bitcoin also will be okay. Bitcoin bouncing from here. Yeah, Bitcoin holding stronger. Bitcoin is looking stronger than ES. Bitcoin is looking stronger than ES for now. Still on a range. I don't like this type of, it's still stuck here, so you don't know what is gonna expand. I wanted to expand to this stacked imbalance, but ES pretty choppy, doesn't find any support, trying to go for these lows. Yeah. So yeah. So for now, yeah. So they try to uptick this, but Bitcoin also. Bitcoin is holding strong this VWAP. But Bitcoin is holding VWAP. holding BPOC. But yeah, you see, it's being denied so fast when ES gets denied. ES going for the low, so no. Okay. Yeah, fighting the Monday low. Yeah. Yeah, yes, and Bitcoin can run this low, and this could be a good low to react 82,800. So if we start losing these prices, for now it's holding, and I would like that Bitcoin starts to, where is my painto? Bitcoin starts to hold these levels, and then you could go for a TP there 84, yeah, this here. So you could long with tight invalidation, and but for now is we need ES and ES is like ES giving this type of cat bounce. Okay, you see 100 market and it's been absorbed, 100 buy market and it's been absorbed. You see, no, they market buying this. 8, so much delta negative. I'm willing to long, but I'm willing to long this, but but we are so near to this low that triple bottom. No, I think they're gonna wreck this. You see, they're gonna go for this. Okay, they're attacking. I like
Order
this level.
placed.
I wanna place it. I wanna test if they test this
Order
one.
placed. Order filled.
Clear, guys. Okay. Let me see if they place this player.
Order placed.
Okay, I like how they are reacting here. These players are big delta here.
Order filled.
If they hold this. Okay, I like how they're holding here. I like these players, this big delta should hold.
Order placed. Order filled.
I don't want to go below this delta. If it doesn't hold, my stop loss is pretty near, I know, but I don't want to. If this doesn't hold, pretty tough. If this holds, it's okay. I want this delta to hold. Okay, this is pure order flow, guys. This is pure order flow. So I like these buys. I like how they are ticking. Okay, they are ticking one here.
Order placed.
I'm going one on the 60s. Let me see if they get it. Come on, give me the 60s. I will let the rest right to the. Come on.
Order filled.
You see, nice. You see, pure order flow. Give a like if you like this type of scalping. This is what I like it. I'm gonna trail this.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna trail this. I'm gonna go one more
Order
here.
placed.
In front of the big orders, that's liquidity. Usually I wanna trade into liquidity. Okay, I don't want this to I'm trailing this here fast.
Order cancelled.
I don't want the, if they get stopped, at least I want this to push, because we are again on VWAP, lower deviation. That's so tricky now. So I prefer get something. We will get something good. I don't care.
Order filled.
Okay, we got that.
Order cancelled.
Perfect. We had something. Okay, that's fast. That was fast. Okay, we win some. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, now we're trading against. We're going into that level. So yeah, that was fast. Okay. That's pure seeing how they are bidding into a level where they have interest here. They have more interest in selling. So this guy is defending this area. You see the 65 area. So we are trading against him. Now lower deviation is acting as a resistance. Okay. So we are above this level. That was a big delta negative. Big delta negative, but they are popping buys here. So 40 lots. Okay. I see F37.
Order filled.
I'm going one more lot. I'm going,
Order filled.
and I'm gonna
Order placed.
trade my stop. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm going to trade into
Order placed.
this guy. Okay.
Order filled.
You see they attack this guy. My stop loss is gonna be
Order
break even.
cancelled.
If they continue, they continue. If they get me, they get me. This
Order filled.
Okay, they get me. So that's trading. I think if somebody, if, I don't know if we are 4 or we are 2. If somebody is in the chat and can clip this fast, clip it to me, because I'm gonna do a TikTok of this about trading into big orders. I'm trading into liquidity. So if I see these guys defending this area, I wanted to long into a big momentum move into this area. If we get tapped, you get stop loss. So don't problem if you get wrong sometimes. Problem is some ticks on your favor. That's fast trading. Okay. Okay, we're getting better and better. Something getting here. I don't have so much room. These accounts are little. If I had 150k, then yes, I could go more heavy. But now we don't have so much room to play. So yeah. Now we see big delta negative. We see rejection of value area low. But still momentum. They are hitting bids, so they are reacting fast. They are reacting. They're reacting, leaving positive delta here. This could be a short. Positive delta here with stacked imbalance. So we could go, but they're reacting here. So in order me, I have to see more absorption. For me, they looking like they want to attack. They want to attack. Value area high. Let me see if finally. No, en cripto también lo hago, y en cripto lo que pasa es que es más difícil. Este tipo de movimientos que aquí hemos escalpeado algunos céntimos, como aquel que dice, en Bitcoin hacer esto te follan en fees. Pero bueno, Bitcoin también puede dar. Bitcoin está rompiendo otra vez al alza. Está siendo mucho más fuerte. Está haciendo mucho más fuerte. Nos puede dar aquí. Nos puede dar a ver qué pasa cuando rompa este nivel. Vamos a marcarlo. Porque entonces nos puede dar un long. Me da igual, me da igual longuear un top si va a haber continuación, me la suda. Entonces, we're gonna give a like, people. It will be so interesting that to give a like, use alert, use cross alert. Okay, so if we cross this level, I wanna have a reaction. ES is being absorbed, but you see, they absorb this level, but they cannot break. But yeah, now I like what I see.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going.
Order filled.
I'm going to.
Order placed.
That is my invalidation. Okay. Let me see si nos da ahora. Vale, bien. Lo mismo que antes. Entre. Vale,
Order placed.
delante de la orden grande. Si no nos estopea antes. Pero de momento ves como quieren seguir atacando. No sueltan, no sueltan. They have to follow, they have to give up. So buyers here have to give up and have to react. Sellers have to react strongly to this level. VWAP has to absorb, but if not, I'm out. I'm out the trade because it will pop. So we need absorption. Okay. We need absorption. So if these levels now have this delta and doesn't continue with negative from here, you see 393 delta and couldn't continue, we are stuck. This could pop up into our stop loss and can continue. No problem. We get stop and we continue for the next. Okay, so I nice this absorption. If this doesn't go again, this could be our trade. Okay, I like this. I like how they reject that candle. This is 1 minute candles, by the way, so it's crazy, eh? Okay, let me see. Big orders are here. Where are my orders? My orders are not below, so I don't want this to fill. So I
Order placed.
I'm selling one there. I'm selling one there. In front of the big order. Okay, in front of the liquidity, guys. In front of the liquidity. You see this big delta. Let me see if we get filled. Come on, give me that one TP and in front of the other. Come on, no, don't absorb here. Okay. Okay. Ok, come on. Vamos. For un puto tick. La madre que le parió. One tick, bro. No way. No way. Okay, I hope you like and enjoy this type of streams.
Order filled.
Okay, one is filled already. Okay. I'm putting my stop here.
Order cancelled.
Protecting this one. Let me see. I'm trailing this one.
Order placed.
I'm trailing because I think we can go for the lows. Okay, I think we can go for the lows. And there's this one we can go
Order
here.
placed.
We can let this run. Okay. How they reacting. Big sellers. Okay, I like this. 150, 170. Vale. Bien. Es lo que queremos ver. Está market selling. Market selling. Lo mismo pasaría en el Bitcoin, pero el Bitcoin está fuerte. El Bitcoin está aguantando muy fuerte. Ahora luego ponemos el don del Bitcoin para que lo veáis. Es un stream bueno. Ok. Selling hard. So look this selling market 190. They're selling into this lower. So now they're upticked, but they are getting absorbed with market sales. So yeah, this is hard now. We're gonna trail this. I don't wanna get in front of this
Order
delta.
cancelled.
This POC has to defend. If they, I'm out. Trailing this delta. Okay, nice to Telegram. I'm giving things on Telegram. I will give, remember, to all the new users, I will give, when they give it to me, I will give ATAS full. So I'm not using ATAS full. I'm using TOPSTEP ATAS, but now I will get ATAS full for my students. So you will get the full version monthly, that is cost like 60-70 euro, free. If you, I will give it to you. I will give it to everybody that follows and is active on my channel and my Telegram. Okay. It's for crypto. ATAS is for also for trading equities. So now what we see now, we want to see this delta. We want to see this. Okay, nice. We want to see this delta protecting. So we have this delta in real time. This is beautiful today to read. Was tricky at the beginning, but now it's been beautiful to read. So this delta has to defend. So I'm trailing here. this delta
Order cancelled.
has to defend, and let me see if we can get a push to the lows. If it doesn't push, you're gonna get stopped. Remember, educational stream. Let's see Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is rejecting 1, 2, 3, I like this. I like this. If it's getting inside value, I would like a short, like this type of short into the lows. I like this, but I'm still not in. How much percentage? Is the same, 40%. It's good, but we need more confirmation in order to be inside this. How we have this? I think this. Come on, can ES give us the lows? I don't like how they're trying. Down ticking, okay. I always looking, guys. I always looking the DOM on my right side. It's really pretty important. It's a tool that when you are used to see aggression on the market. So this low was really aggressive. Here we creating a big node of volume. For now, sellers are winning this level. They are attacking, and we don't having so much aggressive. So yeah, you see these upticks. These are buyers saying, I'm here. In order to, that's why I'm getting my stop here. Now I'm moving my stop to the stacked imbalance. I don't want this stacked imbalance. I have to
Order cancelled.
protected. Okay, I don't wanna trade above this stacked imbalance. Okay, so because these buyers, if these buyers get in control, they could start a stop hunt. Okay, so we need to protect ourselves above this stacked imbalance. Okay, so in order to that, we don't need to see aggressive reactive buyers. We need to see sellers here trying to get a new low. That's our TP, and let's see if we happen. Okay, so here we need to see aggressive sellers. Yeah, I think
Order placed.
if they go for a new low, I know I'm being greedy, but I like what I'm seeing, and I want to see aggressive sellers like now, aggressive sellers, market selling into new lows. This is a low. I think they want to attack. I don't know this, where is my level. We can get stopped here, okay, guys. Some market likes to
Order filled.
Okay, no problem. Was a good trade. I don't know what's happening here. What is this level? I wanna okay, yes, we have space. This is still, we need, yeah, till here. Okay, so we can know what is. So now we're reacting. We don't letting happen this low. Usually they take time, but well, this is a good scalp. Reading the order book. So for now, reactive buyers are still trying hard to hold this level, but I think a sweep of this level, I'm gonna
Order cancelled.
can be the play. And Bitcoin also, let me see how is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is holding strong. That's why I'm not shorting still, because Bitcoin is trying to hold. So if ES holds, could be a good entry for Bitcoin in the long side, because I like order flow in Bitcoin. We're gonna add open interest. We're gonna add open interest to our it's a pretty good tool to look. I'm gonna put it like this. So you see that open interest in all these, they are opening contracts, and CBD from this way to here is pretty bullish, holding a bullish edge. So yeah, Bitcoin is holding strong. ES is going again to value area low. I like this. Let's see this time they hold or they reject. At least now, for now, there are 3 candles changing on delivery, but they're hitting again the resistance level. BTC por los 80 lo podemos ver hoy. Sí, bueno, depende, tendría que ser un catalyst muy grande, porque estamos fuertes en Bitcoin, este low ha aguantado, ¿vale? Entonces, vale, ruptura de esto, me gusta, ruptura, ¿vale? Déjame ver, que cierre una vela, cierra una vela y podemos mirar de longuear esto. Si el IES también me demuestra que quiere ir al VWAP, que es lo que me está demostrando aquí. Necesito que no reyeccione el value area low. Y Neredamus, depende, porque con el Bitcoin tan fuerte, de momento tendría que nukear mucho el IES para que el Bitcoin se vaya a 80, son $3.000. De momento está aguantando bien. Ahora tenemos un sweep. Si el IES reyecciona, sería un buen punto para ver qué hace el Bitcoin aquí, cómo cierra esta vela, cuánta gente ha atrapado. De momento ha dejado imbalances, ¿vale? Vamos a cambiar aquí para verlo. Vamos a ir al order book del Bitcoin para que veáis más o menos. Lo malo es que aquí ahora a mí no se me carga, porque como la data de Bitcoin, de cripto, es una vez lo arrancas, ahora vais a ver data de ahora. No se os va a cargar el perfil de Delta y los perfil de los video last. Es lo que se ve ahora, así que el DOM está un poco extraño, pero sí que tenéis que tener en cuenta. You need to take in consideration the buys and the sells market. All the data has to be downloaded now, so you will not see it like when you see ES. That how Remix has the connection. So yeah. So give a like if you like the stream to support, okay guys? And follow my channels. I also have Twitter and I am pretty active, okay? So for now, Bitcoin attacking 160 Bitcoin here into the opening. Open interest had this nuke here. So all these open are shorts getting squeezed. So here, this candle squeezed a lot of shorts. They went out. All this imbalance created this open interest. So all this was a short squeeze, and now we are popping. So in order to get a long or a short, we need ES. We need ES to tell me ES is trying to pop. Okay, ES is trying to pop. I'm gonna change this again to MS. So yeah, ES trying to pop. I'm gonna also mark a long one more.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna add. I like this. I like this. Okay. My invalidation is this
Order
candle.
placed.
This is my invalidation. Okay, you see momentum long. I'm going out here. I'm going out on VWAP.
Order placed.
If I can get it. I need a follow. Now, same in Bitcoin. Let me see Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin closing bullish. I want to retest. If we get a retest here, I'm going in, guys. If we get a retest here, I'm going in. Let me see. I need a stop loss this candle. Stop loss below 20%. A follar en fees. 30%. 30% for a 1 to 2. Yeah, 60%. Yeah, 60% I can go for risk. Again, yeah. Okay. I don't know if we're gonna get it. If we get the retest, I'm going long. Let's see. Okay, nice trade on ES momentum, guys. This is what we like. And if you're enjoying the content, subscribe and follow me because I'm giving new stuff. I'm doing stream all day, order flow stuff. Okay, they are upticking. Let me see if I can get also a trade on Bitcoin. Let me see if we can get this VWAP touch. Okay, you see I'm TPing next to the big delta here. We have pretty heavy delta here from the opening, so will be hard. Let me see if we can get it, or we jinx this trade. Now pretty nasty rejection now. Pretty nasty. Big buy there. Bitcoin, let me see Bitcoin if we can get a retest. I will go in Bitcoin, guys. If Bitcoin, I'm gonna limit. Yeah. I'm gonna wait this candle to close and then I will decide on Bitcoin. So ES is jinxing. Nasty rejection here. Nasty. This level, nasty rejection, big delta. So I don't like. I'm closing one. I'm closing one if I can.
Order placed.
I close one. I only one contract. I don't like this trade, so I'm de-risking. This is something interesting you need to also do when you don't like the trade. It doesn't look like wasn't going fast into your level. The risk sometimes is good. Okay, equally that is you start liking your trade, you could add. Okay, so and for now that's why I de-risk it. Let's see this candle closes. Pretty delta, 1k delta from a shit delta here, so that's bullish, is what we wanted. This volume, not bad, but this delta is, I don't understand. So yeah, if we can get a retest here, retest, yeah. If we get it, I'm gonna limit this price, 84,270. 84,270 on Bitcoin, 10%. If we get it, if we get it. If we get this long, my invalidation will be the 5-minute candle. That in BNX doesn't have wick, and in Binance has wick. So for now, okay, pretty good. It's holding. Okay, we are upticking this. I like it. We can get a fast TP, but we need to break this. I don't like that they let that delta, but I like how they're holding here. But we are getting denied on this 67.75. This 67.75 is being a good nasty rejection. You see they're peeling now. Okay, they're attacking him, but nasty again. From now we attack them, but still he's adding there. You see 67 3/4 is like nasty. Bitcoin, I didn't get filled in Bitcoin still. And will be the last trade on Bitcoin if we get it. So nasty rejection of the 67 level. 67 level is being so absorbed. That's why this trade is small. Our invalidation is under VWAP. So sorry, value area. They are attacking again, these guys. 67. I like how they're attacking, but they can't. You see, they need to upset that prices. You see 0 here. So anybody is buying, they're buying here, but they are not buying on the 67s. 67 is being a big wall. So for now we're waiting, guys. Y Bitcoin, a ver si nos da entrada. No, Bitcoin sigue ahí fuerte. Es que si el ES empuja y sale de aquí, if ES goes out here, Bitcoin could run. But these players from the DOM, this player 67 level has to go, and he's defending 66 now. You see, 66. He's defending 66 with a limit order. Come on, we need buyers being aggressive here. 49, 20, come on. More aggressive. Now, this buyers is 1-1. Okay.
Order filled.
I'm going in, guys. Let me see if they follow. I'm stopping here.
Order cancelled.
This is my stop loss now. Okay, come on. Momentum. We need to catch momentum. I like what I saw. That's momentum trading. Bitcoin didn't fill me, so now Bitcoin is waiting there on the waiting side. Bitcoin is running without me, so I'm not chasing. I'm not chasing Bitcoin, so yeah. If it runs so much Bitcoin and goes above the 500 level, 84, 500, if it breaks, I will cancel my order. I don't want to see a sweep of 500 and then a deny. So, and this also, I don't like how they are reacting. I need a push. I don't like how they are reacting again to the 67 3/4. Oh, this is nasty. I'm gonna get stopped. No continuation. I need this guy. You see 70. You see how much delta here? This is absorption in real time, bro. This is absorption in real time. These players keep adding. Now they are attacking him and he keeps shorting 21 more lots. So there's a player. If he gives up, we're gonna get TP. But this player is annoying. This 67.75. You can see here all the time 430 is adding to his fucking position. Once this player goes out and stops out, we will see a mega push into
Order cancelled.
BPOC. So here I'm gonna. That's why I'm gonna move my stop, because BPOC can be our TP. If this player, we have to clean this player. We have to make him be underwater and close. You will see, if we close, this will pop. It's real-time trading, guys. So it's something you need to. Something I'm pretty enjoying. So yeah, now we need this player. This player still here is not so much underwater. He's 2 ticks underwater. We need to push him. If not, he will win this and he will collapse into this trade because he's adding and adding. We need to clean this area. Okay, so yeah, and this will be my last trade for today, and I will continue doing content. You can hit me on Discord, on Telegram, ask me questions, but I will end my stream after this trade goes to TP or to because yeah, I think Bitcoin is attacking also the 500 level, so I'm gonna cancel my Bitcoin trade. I'm gonna cancel my Bitcoin trade and I'm gonna continue this ES trade till we win this one or we lose. This player is not giving up. This player doesn't give up, so for now, I don't know if you guys like the stream. No he podido con BTC hoy, me tocó con el oro. Ya, yo también tengo una operación del oro. Con el oro gané 400 hoy. Lo tengo aquí. Con el oro gané 400 también en la del oro. The gold is being crazy. Longest Asia session of gold is being crazy, all time highs. Now I'm scalping. I'm winning some trades. I was on drawdown today. I still drawdown, but I'm doing good scalps on Bogota in live. This stacked imbalance, so this is pretty heavy. Eh? So they couldn't. They sweep for a tick, and now they continue going lower. I don't like this. Yeah, I'm going.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going. I'm de-risking this. I don't like this. That's why I'm de-risk it. I will add. I will add if this goes a higher, but not. I'm de-risking one contract because this is pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. So yeah, pretty nasty.
Order cancelled.
I cancel this. So now, what I can see here for you guys, we had this player on the dome, the 67 3/4. He was keeping adding. He got attacked twice. Now he's defending his price. You can see this number 68, 67 3/4. They are defending and front running VWAP. They tried once. They attacked him here. People got trapped into longs. So pretty delta, 0.50 on the top, and then this next candle touched the imbalance and couldn't win him. So for now, that's why I'm pretty concerned what this will happen. I prefer to get stopped for pennies than fully stop loss here. This guy, until we don't break this level and test VWAP, this guy is playing his play here and is holding strong, being so much absorption. Also pretty heavy delta for the session, so yeah. I feel like same as yesterday. Delta pretty heavy. So for now we wait. So I'm gonna grab the stream for now. Remember I have a Telegram. Remember that I have linked my BingX partner, so if you wanna support me, it's totally free. You can trade in BingX. If you give me full volume, I will appreciate it. And remember that now in these days I will give you ATAS license free for 1 month, but a full license, not a demo license, not a trial license. 1 month of a full license for every student I have, and that is a pretty good deal in order you to test the platform and see if you like it and trade like I do and have the same templates. I'm gonna do private discords. I'm gonna do private calls if you need it, so just be focused on following me, and we'll see you next tomorrow, New York Open. See you tomorrow. Okay guys.